Hey guys, what's up? Today I came to visit Golden Waterfall in Taiwan. This is one of the most famous tourist places in Taiwan. And the reason it's called Golden Waterfall is because of the color of the rocks. It looks so good. Wow. The sound is the sound of the water is so calming. Look at the thing here. So beautiful. So have you came here before?
Yeah, I already come here before.
Really? So do you know why the rocks are this color?
I see it's because of the gold.
Gold?
So it looks like brown.
No, why they are gold color?
It's
Iron?
usually have gold here.
Oh, really?
So the color of the rocks color looks like brown.
Gold? Oh, yeah, I see. So do you know the water from where the water is coming from? Is there anything
From the top of the mountain?
from the top of the mountain? Is there any river nearby? Anything nearby?
No, I don't think so. It's just a cave here, maybe.
I see. Wow. And do the water level goes up in the year? I mean, in which part of the year the water level goes up and there's more water coming down? Or is it like normal, constant throughout the year? Constant? I see. I think the water is very cold. So we can't go down, right?
You can try.
I can try?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm not sure.
Is it allowed? If it's allowed, I'll go down.
I think it's not allowed because
Not allowed.
no one.
Going down. Wow, this place is very nice. I think good for pictures, you know. Let's take a picture here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where do you want to go?
So, like, how to come here? Like, for somebody who wants to visit this place, how can they come here from Taipei main station? Let's say.
I'll take a bus.
Bus?
From Taipei main station or from Zhongshan station.
What's the bus number?
856.
856 from Taipei main station.
I think it's from Zhongshan station.
I see. From how if someone is from Taipei, then how to come here from Taipei?
You can take an MRT to Zhongshan station, then take the bus.
Zhongshan Fengxing, and then bus from there.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like 1 hour.
Yeah, at least 1 hour.
It's 1 hour. And you can come here and you can see this, stay for 5 minutes, and then go back.
You can still go to the nearby cave.
Nearby
and
cave.
Also the sea.
The sea.
Place.
I like the mountain. This mountain, you know, it's touching the clouds. You see? Wow. So let's go to the cave.
Yeah.
This place is good.
Maybe we can take the bus.
Wow, nice. Wow. So nice. Really? So in Hualien, we also have this Golden Waterfall.
It's a bathing and also giant rock.
Not bad. But we can take a bath.
I mean, a valley,
The valley.
the canyon in the mountain, and also the giant.
Giant rocks?